Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share with you today 7 no stress holiday side dishes. It is all about the food around the holiday season. If you're having Christmas parties, holiday parties, it's really just so fun to entertain and feed all of your friends and family. So the food can be a stressful part about the holidays though. So I wanted to make this video for you to share with you some really quick, easy, and delicious no stress side dishes. So let's get into this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Also put a thumbs up on this video if you're enjoying it, and I'll show you these 7 no stress holiday side dishes. I love using the Crockpot to make some stress-free sides. So I'm going to be making a green bean casserole. I have 2 bags of frozen green beans, 2 cans of cream of mushroom. I have a cup of Parmesan cheese that I will add in. I'm also going to add in some French fried onions, which these are just the best. I'm doing half of a cup. I'm going to add in half of a cup of milk, and then this will be ready to give a little stir, mix around all this cream of mushroom and the green beans and all the ingredients. I'm going to top with some Parmesan cheese as well, and I'm going to top with some more of the French fried onions. So 1 cup of the French fried onions. Put this lid on and cook this on low for 4 hours or on high for 2 hours. Amazing. So I'm going to do a cornbread casserole. This is so great, and you can make this ahead of time. You can make it the night before, the morning of, when you're entertaining, which I absolutely love that you can make this ahead of time. You can clean up the kitchen, and then you don't have to worry about all that mess and putting everything together while you're trying to entertain your guests. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box, but as you can see, it's really easy, but it's absolutely delicious. I love this one. It is a huge, huge hit. All of this yummy corn mixture with the sour cream. And now I'm gonna add in some Jiffy cornbread mix, and this really makes it so awesome. Give this a good stir. You're gonna have your oven preheated if you're gonna make this right away. If you're gonna make this beforehand and then cook it, you're gonna wanna preheat that oven before you cook it to 350 degrees, and then you'll be ready to put it in. I'm going to spray my baking dish so that it comes out nice and easily. And this is so good. Like I said, I'll have the recipe for this in the description box because you are going to absolutely love it, and everyone that you're serving will love it as well. So it is so good. Look how good it turns out, and super easy make ahead. So I'm going to do some green beans and sweet potatoes. This is a really great vegetable side dish. I just love vegetable side dishes. So you have your green beans, take out any stems that you have, of course. I chopped up a sweet potato with my veggie chopper, which I can link my veggie chopper in the description box. It's wonderful. I love that it makes everything the same size. Spray with some olive oil. I'm going to add in some garlic powder, some Lawry's seasoning salt. This is so easy. You can make this ahead of time, put it in the fridge, and then when you're ready to entertain, you just pull it out and put it in your oven. Add some bacon, of course, to make it delicious. And here it is. So good and a huge hit. I'm going to do some garlic butter mushrooms. So I have my garlic, my butter, and my mushrooms. Super simple, 3 ingredients. So I've cleaned my mushrooms, and I am just going to cut them into some kind of quarters. Depending on the size of your mushrooms, you can cut them into whichever size you would like, but this is the size that works great for us. So super simple. Really great side dish, definitely no stress with the 3 ingredients, and you can make this morning of, you can make this the night before, and then just put it in the oven when you are ready to start serving your food. So like I said, you can make all of these ahead of time, clean up that mess that you're going to make in the kitchen, which is inevitable when you're cooking, of course. So make it ahead of time, clean it all up, and you can just have fun and entertain throughout the holidays without worrying about cooking everything. So you put this in the oven, so good. I'm going to do a Crockpot creamed corn. So I have 3 cans of corn that I have drained. I'm adding in some sugar because it's going to make that really awesome. So just 1 tablespoon. It doesn't take much. I'm using a cup of milk, and I love dump and go recipes. They are just so easy, and these Crockpot side dishes are so, so good. I just absolutely love them. So add a brick of cream cheese, add some pepper to taste, and you can cook this in the crock pot. So good. It stays nice and warm while you're entertaining your guests. I'm going to be doing a bacon maple Brussels sprouts. So good. We love Brussels sprouts, and maple syrup really gives this a really wonderful taste. It's such a great combination with the bacon. So I like to cut my Brussels sprouts. You can cut them in half. You can cut them in quarters. You can even kind of shave them. I like to do as well. So it's your preference on what size you would like your Brussels sprouts to be. Really awesome side dish. We love anything with bacon. It just makes everything amazing. So I'm just cutting up my bacon, and use your favorite kind of bacon. I'm just cutting it with my kitchen scissors. You can cut it up with a knife, whichever works for you. Spread this out over your Brussels. Drizzle with some olive oil. And then I am also going to add in some minced garlic, which we love garlic on just like all of our vegetables, so add however much you like. About a tablespoon should work. Give this a toss and mix that around all in that olive oil. And then you're going to want to add in your maple syrup. So this is going to really give this such an awesome taste. And it takes just a drizzle, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just drizzle that on, and it'll be so, so good. You'll bake these in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. So, so great, and a really awesome no stress that you can make ahead of time as well. So I have some potatoes O'Brien. They're frozen diced potatoes with onion and some bell pepper as well. So they're really great. I have a can of chicken noodle soup. I have some sour cream. My mom has been making this potato casserole ever since I can remember, and she calls it funeral potatoes. So you may have seen this before, but that's what she calls it. So I'm adding in my onion. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box so you know exactly how much of the ingredients to put in. Give this a good mix, and you could make this ahead of time. Of course, mix all this ingredients up, and then you'll want to spray your baking dish. Add these really delicious potatoes into the baking dish. And then when you do want to cook this, you'll want to cook it at 350 degrees. So preheat your oven at 350 before you're going to make this. So spread it out nice and flat. And then you're going to want to add, of course, some salt and pepper to taste if you would like. And then I'm also going to top this with some cheese as well. So I'm going to use about a cup of cheese. So just lightly top the casserole with some cheese. So this is so good and a really, really great side dish. You can make this the day before and then cook it in the oven when you're ready to serve your food. I hope that you loved these no stress holiday side dishes. They're easy, they're all make ahead, so you don't have to worry about cooking while you have guests that you're trying to entertain. Hope that you're having a great holiday season, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and put a like on this video if you liked it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.